Yeah, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn how we can use ChatGPT as a wellness coach. So before that we will know who is a wellness coach, who is a wellness coach, and what is the role of that person and why we need it. Okay, so wellness coach is a person who can help us, who can guide us to stay healthy, fit and well in our life. Okay, suppose मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ, मेरा स्टडी का बहुत प्रेशर है मेरे ऊपर. मैं एक वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हूँ, मेरा काम का बहुत प्रेशर है. सपोज़ मैं एक बिजनेसमैन हूँ, मेरा बिजनेस रिलेटेड बहुत स्ट्रेस है. और मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ, मेरा बहुत प्रेशर है उसके ऊपर. और आई एम अ रिटायर पर्सन, आई एम माइट बी आई एम अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, आई एम अ स्पोर्ट्समैन. ओके, सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज मेरा ऊपर कुछ स्ट्रेस है, कुछ प्रेशर है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज मेरा फूड हैबिट, मेरा स्लीपिंग स्टाइल, ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर लाइक different kind of, and that's why I am not feeling well. I am stressed, I am not feeling well, I am not energetic, that kind of thing. So what will happen is we need to consult with a wellness coach. So what they will do is they will personalize the thing based on my working style, based on my food habit, based on my sleeping style and all those things. They will craft it, they will personalize it, they will guide us. You do this, you minimize that, you do that, you don't do this, you minimize it, you increase it, that kind of thing they will provide, because they are expert on this domain. Okay, so they will guide us so that we can release our stress, we can take less pressure on us. So they will provide some techniques, some path they will provide, so that we can stay happy, we can stay fit and well in our life. Okay, so that's it, that is the work of a wellness coach. And suppose you are going to a physical wellness coach, you are meeting with a physical wellness coach. They will, of course, they will charge some money, because they are professional on this domain. Okay, so they will charge, of course they will charge some money. But before going there, you can take the help of a large language model like ChatGPT or any other artificial tools like Gemini is there, Copilot is there. So this platforms are there. So what you can do is you can take the output from them as well. Okay, so before going to a physical wellness coach, because they will charge you money. Anyway, so I will show you, I will provide some prompts. So with that prompts, what you can do is you can go to the ChatGPT or any other platform and you can ask it. So it will provide you a more standard and advanced level answer. So it depends on the prompt, how you are writing that question, how you are speaking with that large language model. There is some pattern, there is some algorithm, there is some rule and techniques you need to follow, so that you can get the better response. Few people, they always say that I don't get better response from ChatGPT or any other large language model, and I say them just you follow, you modify your prompt. Based on the prompt, ChatGPT will provide you the response. The more details you will provide to ChatGPT, the more better response you will get from ChatGPT or any other large language model. So this is one kind of thing. So you need to master that thing. If you want to get the basic idea, that's okay. But if you want to master something, the prompt engineering you need to master. Okay, so here is the example. Here is the prompt example I have written, that I will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as a professional wellness coach. So I am giving ChatGPT a role, that is professional wellness coach. Okay, so this is called persona pattern. This pattern name is persona pattern. As I told earlier, that it follows some pattern, it follows some algorithm, right? So now for this example, I am giving ChatGPT a role, a persona. I am giving to ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, you think that you are a professional wellness coach. And now I will tell about myself. I am a 50 years old individual looking to improve my mental well-being and reduce stress. So this is my problem. I want to reduce it. I want to develop a daily routine that includes mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. Okay, now this is my problem. I told about myself that I am a 50 years old individual looking to improve my mental well-being. So that is the thing I want to improve, and I want to develop as well. I want to develop a daily routine and includes mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. Okay, now I will say I have a sedentary lifestyle and no prior experience with wellness practice. Okay, so I never practice this kind of thing. So think me as a beginner only, and I don't know anything about this wellness and all those things. So give me the first week's plan, broken down day wise. So in your case, you can copy this template, you can paste it, and you can modify according. Suppose your age might be different, might be 30, might be 25, might be 40, might be 50, might be 60, like that kind of. So your problem might be different. Suppose my sleep habit is not good, so I want to improve that sleep habit or sleeping style. So all those things, so you can mention based on your problem, based on your requirement, and then your expectation also you need to mention. Now I will copy this example and I will go to ChatGPT. Let me refresh it. If you don't know, this is the interface of ChatGPT. So here I will go, I will paste my example, and now I can modify it as well. Okay, so based on your requirement, so I am not changing anything because this is a dummy example. So based on your requirement, you need to fill all the like your age might be different, your problem might be different, so you need to modify it. So let's see how ChatGPT provides this. So my prompt is here: act as a professional wellness coach. I am a 50 years old individual looking to improve my mental well-being and reduce stress. I want to develop a daily routine that includes mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. I have a sedentary lifestyle and no prior experience with wellness practices. Okay, create a monthly wellness plan for me to achieve my goal. Give me the first week's plan broken down day wise. Okay, so instead of create a monthly wellness, I will say weekly wellness plan for me to achieve my goal, and give me the first day. Okay, let's press enter and let's see how it responds. Okay, weekly wellness plan, week one what I have to do, the goal is introduce mindfulness and stress reduction techniques gradually with incorporating light physical activities to counter a sedentary lifestyle. Okay, now day one what I have to do, mindful beginnings, morning 10 minutes, practice deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, inhale for 6 seconds, repeat for 5 times. So I think it's pretty cool. Suppose you are visiting a wellness coach, now they will tell you the same thing, because I attended one meditation class, so they did that kind of thing. Anyway, so if you are in, so you can identify it better. Okay, so the day one what I have to do, now mindful beginning. Morning what I have to do, afternoon what I have to do, 5 minutes pause and practice gratitude. Okay, write down 3 things you will be grateful for, you are grateful for. Okay, evening what I have to do, 10 minutes guiding meditation using a beginner app like Calm or Headspace to relax before bed. Okay, then day 2 what I have to do, awareness through movement. Morning what I have to do, afternoon what I have to do, morning gentle stretching, neck roll, shoulder circle, man seated forward bends. Okay, afternoon what I have to do, body scan meditation. Okay, evening what I have to do, see the day 2 also done. Day 3 what I have to do, connection, nature connection. Okay, morning what I have to do, sit by a window or step outside. Okay, afternoon what I have to do, take a short walk. Okay, evening progressive muscle relaxation. Okay, day 4 what I have to do, digital detox evening. Morning what I have to do, mindful tea or coffee's time. Afternoon what I have to do, evening what I have to do. See how professionally it has given, how advanced level, how professionally it has given. Suppose you are visiting a wellness coach, so they will provide this kind of this kind of thing, even not in maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure, maybe not in this structure format, but they will guide you, they will tell you. Of course, they are professional on this domain. Anyway, so I think you ever if you have ever visited any wellness coach or meditation classes, so you will know how structured content it has given ChatGPT or any other large language model. So based on my prompt, and it completely depends on the prompt you are giving to ChatGPT or any other platform. So the more detailed and specific prompt, the more pattern you will follow, so you will get the best output from ChatGPT or any other platform. So now I think you have got the idea how the standard of the quality of this content. Okay, so day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, likewise you can say give me for 1 month, give me for 6 months, it will provide you day wise, it will break it down. Okay, so now I think you have got the idea how you can use ChatGPT as a wellness coach. Again, one more example I will take. Act as a wellness coach. I am 35 years old, professional, experiencing a high stress level due to my job. Okay, let me take this example. Let us go to the. So here the prompt is act as a wellness coach. I am telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, you are a wellness coach now. So act as a wellness coach. I am a 35 years old professional experiencing a high stress level due to my job. Suppose you are a working professional and we are feeling little stress about it. So now I am telling ChatGPT, I am a 35 years old professional experiencing high stress level due to my job. I want to incorporate stress management techniques into my daily routine. Create a week-long plan focused on stress reduction through breathing exercise only. Not only breathing exercise, mindfulness practice, and lifestyle changes. So these are the things I can incorporate with you. Okay, so these things are breathing exercise, mindfulness practice, and lifestyle changes also I'm ready to do. So accordingly you give me a solution. So week long plan I am asking. Okay, so now I think you have got the idea how to write a prompt, so you can copy it, you can paste it, and accordingly based on your problem you can write it down. So let us see how ChatGPT responds this. Weekly stress management plan for a busy professional. Okay, goal is reduce stress levels by incorporating simple effective practice into your daily routine that feed your busy lifestyle. Okay, day 1, what I have to do, start with breath awareness. Okay, morning 5 minutes, what I have to do, box breathing, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, repeat for 5 rounds. Okay, midday, what I have to do, 3 minutes I have to do this, pause during work and focus on deep belly breaths. Okay, then evening, what I have to do, 10 minutes I need to do. So 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 18 minutes per day, I think. Again, I think gradually it will increase the time as well. Mindfulness breaks. Okay, morning 10 minutes, midday 5 minutes, again it is 30 minutes. It has increased so gradually it is increasing. Okay, so for the first day, second day, third day, like that way. So I think you have got the idea. Now day 2, mindful breaks, day 3, movement and breathe, then day 4, digital detox evening. Okay, then day 5, visualization and relaxation, then day 6, weekend unwind. Okay, then day 7, reflect and recharge. Okay, so these are the things. I think you have got the pretty clear idea how you can use ChatGPT for this all kind of purpose, for this purpose only. Okay, so it has given a detailed information and even the time frame also, how long you need to do and what kind of things are do, so that you can achieve your goal, so that we can achieve our goal. Okay, so I think you can see the quality of content. It is pretty standard. If you are going to any physical wellness coach, they will provide also same kind of thing. Okay, but here it is free of cost. You can take the leverage of ChatGPT or any other large language model. Again, if you want to master ChatGPT prompt writing, you can enroll ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery course. And here is one Excel sheet also, 10,000 plus advanced and premium ChatGPT prompts are there. If you want to get access, that is also available, so you can enroll in. Okay, so if you want to master ChatGPT, all the industries are covered, more than 75 plus industries are covered, so you can take the leverage out of it. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video, and happy learning. Thank you.